Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Commission Junction cookies detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Commission Junction cookies, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the browser settings or preferences. Locate the privacy or security section within the settings. Look for the option related to cookies. In most browsers, you will find an option to block third-party cookies. Select this option to prevent Commission Junction cookies from being stored on your device. If you prefer, you can delete existing cookies by finding the option to clear browsing data. Choose the appropriate time frame for which you want to delete cookies. Make sure to check the box for cookies and site data. Confirm the action to clear the selected data. After clearing, it's a good idea to restart your browser to ensure changes take effect. For users who want more control, consider using an ad blocker or browser extension. These tools often include options to specifically block cookies from certain sites, including Commission Junction. Before finalizing your settings, double-check the list of blocked sites. Make sure Commission Junction is included if you want to restrict its cookies. Finally, test your changes by revisiting the Commission Junction website. Check your browser settings again to confirm that cookies are disabled. Following these steps will help you successfully disable Commission Junction cookies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.